नमस्कार दोस्तों, दी प्रोफेशनल का स्पेशल रिपोर्ट में आपका फिर से स्वागत है। दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में हम आपको बताएंगे कि आखिर कौन देता था सुशांत को दवाइयाँ, कौन रहता था उनके साथ, सुशांत के सुसाइड के दिन कौन था उनके घर में, आखिर कौन है ये सिद्धार्थ पिठानी। ये सारी बात जानने के लिए वीडियो के आखिर तक बने रहिए। तो देखिए, जो अर्नब गोस्वामी ने रिपब्लिक टीवी में सुशांत के फ्लैटमेट सिद्धार्थ पिठानी से लिया हुआ इंटरव्यू।
सिद्धार्थ, दिस इज अर्नब गोस्वामी हियर। कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, louder. Yes,
आप मुझे
yes,
सुन पा रहे हैं सिद्धार्थ? मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों में आपसे सवाल करूंगा। हमारे दोनों चैनल रिपब्लिक टीवी और रिपब्लिक मीडिया नेटवर्क पर आप इस वक्त लाइव हैं, तो आप मेरे सवालों का जवाब दें। आप कैमरे की तरफ देखें और सवालों का जवाब दें। आप कब से कब तक, कितने दिनों तक आप सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के साथ थे? हाउ लॉन्ग वर यू विद हिम?
From April 2019 until July 5th.
आप उनके घर में रहते थे?
I was there with 1 year. Yes, yes.
आप इंग्लिश में बोलना चाहते हैं? आप कह रहे हैं कि आप you are saying that you were there with him for 1 year. 1 साल तक आप थे?
Yes, yes. I was there. I was with him for 1 year.
घर में रहते थे?
Yes.
सब कुछ जानते थे उनके बारे में?
हाँ सर, जो कैपेसिटी में मैं इनको जानता था एज अ फ्रेंड एंड प्रोफेसर।
घर में रहते थे ना, तो घर में जो हो रहा था सब कुछ पता था। क्या उनकी कोई मानसिक बीमारी थी?
सर, I wish I know what he was going through.
नहीं, I wish I knew मत बोलिए, मैं आपसे बात कर रहा हूँ।
What was that?
ये बोला जा रहा है, सुनिए, आप पहले डरिए मत, don't be scared. Talk आराम से. I'm saying to you, you were living with him in his house. Everybody says that he had some major mental illness. Did he have a major mental illness?
Major mental illness, I don't know what to call it.
What do you mean?
There was a psychiatrist involved. There was medication involved.
Who was giving the medication? Who was giving the medication?
Yeah. There was a prescription.
Who was giving the medication? Who was giving him the medication? The trainer spoke to me, Sami. You know the trainer, Sami.
I myself.
You were giving the medication.
Yeah, I met him.
You were giving the medication.
I gave him. I used to take 2 tablets. Yes.
What tablets?
I have no idea. So there is a prescription.
No, how do you have no idea? There were 2 tablets. Who gave you the tablets?
Yeah, the doctor Karsi Chavda.
Oh, now one second. Sami, his trainer, told me that the tablets were procured by Ria.
Yeah.
Right? That's the fact, right? So Ria got the tablets and gave it to you to give him.
Okay. Go on. See, we have a prescription.
No. One minute. Answer my question. Answer my question, Siddharth. Answer my question, Siddharth. Keep focused on the question. Look at every word of the question. हर एक सवाल मैं पूछ रहा हूँ आपसे. मैं सवाल आपका अगला ये पूछ रहा हूँ कि उसके ट्रेनर, मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों में बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि दोनों चैनल्स पे लाइव टेलीकास्ट हो रहा है. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ कि उसके ट्रेनर ने स्टिंग ऑपरेशन में हमें कहा कि रिया ये सारी दवाइयाँ लाती थी और वो खुद कहता था सुशांत को एक दवाइयाँ मत लो, मगर रिया चक्रवर्ती उसके लिए दवाइयाँ लाती थी. आप कहना है कि आप दवाई देते थे, यानी कि जो दवाई रिया लाती थी उसके लिए आप उसको देते थे जी?
रिया लाती होगी सर, क्योंकि
होगी क्या? जब राती होगी का मतलब क्या है?
बात होती थी रिया
आप नहीं, एक मिनट रुकिए. What do you mean राती होगी? आप दुकान से खुद लाते थे कि दवाई लाई जाती थी और आप उसको देते थे?
नहीं, लाई जाती थी.
कौन लाई जाती थी? रिया लाती थी.
नहीं सर, रिया नहीं पर्सनली नहीं लाती.
तो आप लाते थे?
How would she go to the medical shop?
आप लाते थे?
used to go to the medical shop.
आप लाते थे?
Only the people who are helping Sushant. नहीं सर, मैंने
तो मुझे ये बताइए, अगला सवाल मेरा ये है. लिसन टू माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 8 तारीख, सोच समझ के जवाब दीजिए. 8 तारीख और 14 तारीख के बीच में कौन कौन घर में आए थे?
हाँ, 14 के बीच में सिर्फ उनकी सिस्टर आई थी सर.
नहीं, वो तो 12 तारीख को आई थी ना.
हाँ, उनके the sister only had come to the house to
गलत।
meet Sushant.
एक
To
दिन
take care
पहले
of him.
एक दिन पहले उनके घर में कोई पार्टी हुई थी? कौन कौन आए थे?
नहीं sir.
कौन कौन आए?
No, no party whatsoever.
कौन कौन आए थे? नो पार्टी कौन कौन आए?
सिर्फ हम लोग ही थे, कोई
सिर्फ
नहीं
हम
था
लोग कौन?
घर पे, कोई नो पार्टी,
हम लोग
नो पार्टी।
नो पार्टी मींस व्हाट? आपको किसने बोला है नो पार्टी?
मैं no party happened.
No,
We
no.
just finished our work and we went back to sleep. That's it.
एक मिनट।
And I was there. Deepesh Sawant was there. हाँ।
एक मिनट बताइए, रिया चक्रवर्ती ने घर क्यों छोड़ा 8 तारीख को? 8 या 9 तारीख को कब छोड़ा?
जब भी उन्होंने
जब भी क्या?
I can't recall the date exactly.
नहीं,
what
घर छोड़ा।
date she left.
She left.
हाँ?
She left.
हाँ, जब
क्यों?
घर छोड़ा,
क्यों छोड़ा?
she had spoken to me.
What did she tell
She had told me.
What did she tell you?
मुझे नहीं पता सर।
आपको कैसे? What are you saying? What are you saying?
she told
You
me
just
that,
told me
take care of
she
him.
spoke to you, and then you are immediately responding by saying,
Yeah.
नहीं पता। एक मिनट, आप मुझे फिर से बताइए। She spoke to you. What did she tell you?
हाँ।
What did she tell you?
Yeah, she spoke to me.
What did she
saying,
say?
Take care of him. She told me, take care of him. I am just a phone call away. Whenever you need me, just tell me. I'll come back.
That's all.
That's
all.
I said okay, fine. Then
Bas,
she left
okay,
the house.
that's all.
Yeah,
Nothing
all.
else.
Bas. Yeah.
No, what
Nothing
happened?
else.
Why did she leave?
I don't know. But they had a personal conversation. We were downstairs, they were upstairs, so there's no means that we can know what conversation.
So what was happening? What was the circumstances? What happened before that when she left?
Circumstances were quite normal, actually. Like, only thing is, they were spending a lot of time having conversations in their own house, on their home, in their privacy, and I have no idea what conversations they had.
आप सोचिए, आप उस घर में थे. You were in the house. You are saying you know nothing. Siddharth, nobody will believe you.
Yeah.
You say you lived in the house. You were in the house.
Okay.
Right? You
Yes.
were in the house in the entire
Yes, I was on
period. You were.
16th floor,
Wait
they
a
were
minute,
having the
Siddharth.
conversation
Siddharth,
on
listen.
17th floor.
Siddharth, listen. Don't try and give me these wishy-washy replies, okay?
Yes.
You
Yes.
were in the house when he died. You were in the house
Okay,
when Ria
okay.
left. You were with him throughout. You are updating his social media profiles. If there is anybody
Yes.
who knows everything, it is you. You are coming on my
Yes.
program and saying, I know nothing.
Yeah.
Your basic agenda is to say that you knew nothing.
See, I'm not updating his Instagram
No,
profile.
what-
I was updating my own Instagram profiles.
No, you are saying you knew nothing.
Yeah, I know nothing, sir. Yes. What conversation they had,
So
what
why
happened
did-
between
Yeah,
Ria
no,
and
one second,
Sushant.
one second.
Because since I respect their privacy, I never asked them what happened.
So,
Yeah.
so you know nothing. Were you interrogated by the Mumbai police?
I know. Yes, thoroughly.
Thoroughly. You are giving the Mumbai police a clean sheet. Interesting. What happened on 14 June? Tell me.
Okay.
You know, you worked with
What
him. Have
happened on
some
14
sense.
June? Yeah.
No, Siddharth,
So, in the
listen.
morning,
Siddharth,
I-
listen. You worked with him. You lived with him. Just because
Yes.
he's no
Yes.
more, you can't turn around and say, I know nothing. Tell me
Yeah.
one thing. Was he, the theory being put out there is that he was a
Yeah.
depressed man. ये बोला जा रहा है कि वो बड़े डिप्रेशन में थे,
I'll tell
इतने
you, I'll
डिप्रेस्ड
tell you
व्यक्ति थे.
why.
एक मिनट,
I'll tell
एक
you.
मिनट, एक मिनट सुनिए मेरी बात सुनिए. ये बोला जा रहा है कि वो डिप्रेस्ड व्यक्ति थे, इसलिए उन्होंने अपनी जान ले ली, आत्महत्या थी. मगर आप जो मुझे कह रहे हैं कोई डिप्रेशन था नहीं. आप बोल रहे हैं 2 दवाइयां आपको याद नहीं है जो रिया चक्रवर्ती उसको देती थी.
मैंने आपको नहीं बोला ये.
क्या वो डिप्रेस्ड व्यक्ति थे?
सर, आप मुझे
Was he a depressed
आप मुझे
man?
question
I'm
कर रहे हो,
asking you
क्योंकि
whether he was a
personally-
depressed
आपने
man.
personally कैसे-
I am asking you whether he
मैं
was a
उनके
depressed
बीच-
man.
हाँ.
Did depression set off suicide?
He was. कट गया.
No, you're not running away from my program. Give him back the phone. Viewers, he's running away. Viewers, Siddharth does not want to answer the questions. He does not want to answer the questions. This is extremely suspicious. Can we put the phone back in his ear? Here is a person, सब कुछ जानते हुए भी अनजान होके इंटरव्यू उन्होंने बंद कर दी. And this man has gone to Hyderabad. I am asking him some very straightforward questions. He should take the questions. The line is not cut. I want him to come back. There are serious questions which need to be asked here.
इस तरह के ताजा तरीन खबरें देखते रहने के लिए अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और देखते रहिए दी प्रोफेशनल गाय। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।